I'll throw this on. Perfect. So now that I got the process down, it's gonna go quick. I'm gonna make some 6-inch ones, and so be sure that'll be like part 3. But you can see there's no lighter gap, so running them down the table saw, that's the way to go. All right, so I'm just gonna run this edge. This doesn't matter if it's this edge is square, but I'm just gonna run it down my router. So with the flush trim bit here. Again, like I said, this side doesn't matter if it's square, but you can see after I ran the router, I cleaned up pretty good. Not as good as with my 4-inch ones, but you can see down here, whatever, when the laser's cutting, those pieces got burned. And up here. So again, it doesn't matter, but I'm gonna try to run them through my 360 sled. I think I got a way to clean those up. All right, so we're just gonna run this through. So I'm just gonna use my square again, line it up with the fence. I get a perfect 45 to this parallel edge or perpendicular edge. Let's just get it set up here. Again, I love spring clamps, so all I'm gonna do is use this fence. This is going to pull my 45 to the fence. We'll line this up. Again, same thing. Just a little overhang there. Put on my hold down clamp. There you go. You can see that fixed all that problem. It's looking clean. All right, I think that's it.